Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you two cars I've found at our local flea market. The first one is this Ford Mustang from early 70s. It has suspension and also moving pistons. It is nice and I will leave it this way. It runs nicely too. The second one is this Ford. This Ford Mustang is relatively new, and I thought it would be nice to share another restoration video with you guys. So now I'm going to drill the base out from this car and create new threads for the screws I'm going to use. I always start by drilling 1.7 mm hole in the posts. Then I'm using my tap to tap new threads for the screws, and only afterwards I drill the base off. In this way you will have a guide for your beagle drill and it will not slip and ruin your base. After seeing this car without any paint, I can see damage in all four corners of this car due to some drops it suffered from in the past. I'm going to try and fix those damaged parts by using my file and some sanding paper. I thought it would be nice to add bigger tires for this car, maybe off-road style, and turn it into some kind of a off-road car. So in order to fit those bigger tires, I'm gonna have to grind the fenders a little bit and make the wheel wells a little bit larger. The axles I've used are a little bit too wide, so I've created a band at the middle, and now I can fit them properly to the base. Considering this car as an off-road vehicle, I've decided to add a roof rack at the top of it. My plan is to create a car with a roof rack that will be almost indestructible. Not like other cars I've made, which the roof rack I've added was very fragile. This one is going to be attached with screws. Now I'm going to mark two dots at the top of my car. Then I'm going to drill matching holes at this roof of the car. Then I will drill them. Afterwards I will attach my screws straight into the roof and into the roof rack. By now you may consider this build not as a restoration project, but maybe some kind of a modification project. However, by the end of this video you will see that my decision was right because the outcome is fantastic. Now I'm going to cut these screws and I'm going to fit the correct length of the threads and make sure they will not stick out of my roof rack. After fitting the roof rack in its position, I'm going to check all the parts together and to see if everything sits correctly and the wheels are spinning properly. Off camera, I will use my paintbrush this time, and I thought it would be nice to use some metallic gold glossy finish for this car. Afterwards, I will add some details like painting the grille, the headlights, the bumpers, and also the taillights. Then I will add some stickers, and that is that. So let me show you the final outcome. So here it is, guys. Let me know what you think about this creation. I know it's not a restoration video, but it's more like a custom creation video. Let me know in the comments section down below what you think about this one. If you have any question you want to ask me, I will be more than glad to help you. And in the meantime, I will leave you with my gold Mustang. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, and bye bye.